Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam LTAM. You are given that the survival function for future lifetime of a person is equal to 1 minus t over omega to the power 1/4 for t between 0 and omega. And this means that omega is a limiting age, and after age omega, everybody's dead. And mu 65, so force of mortality at age 65, is 1 over 180. Calculate E106, the equatate expectation of life at age 106. And here's a solution. So the force of mortality is minus the derivative with respect to t of the natural logarithm of s of t. And that's equal to minus d over dt of the natural logarithm of 1 minus t over omega to the power 1/4. That's equal to 1/4, which you can just put in front of the natural logarithm, and then it's a constant, so put it in front. So minus 1/4, the derivative with respect to t of the natural logarithm of 1 minus t over omega. That's negative 1/4 times 1 over 1 minus t over omega multiplied by minus 1 over omega. And that's because ln of 1 minus t over omega is a composite function. We take the natural logarithm of derivative of natural logarithm, we get 1 over the function that natural logarithm is applied to, and then we take the derivative of 1 minus t over omega with respect to t, and it's just minus 1 over omega. So this whole thing becomes 1/4 times 1 over omega minus t. And actually, if you've studied this kind of functions, where the survival function is taken to a certain power, then you know that it's the same as multiplying the force of mortality by a certain power. And the force of mortality for the Moivre law is 1 over omega minus t. So you could have guessed this if you knew that. Of course, that's covered in my study manual. So if you knew that, you could have had this form of force of mortality instantly. And therefore 1 over 180, which is the force of mortality at age 65, is 1/4 times 1 over omega minus 65, and therefore 1 over 45, because 180 divided by 4 is 45. So 1 over 45 is equal to 1 over omega minus 65, so that omega is 110. That's the limiting age. Based on this, the survival function, probability of surviving t years from age 106, that's the survival function for a newborn applied to the age 106 plus t divided by the survival function for a newborn applied to age 106. Well, that's equal to 1 minus 106 plus t over 110 to the 1/4 over 1 minus 106 over 110 to the 1/4, because we know what the form of the survival function is, and that's equal to 4 minus t over 4 to the 1/4. And the life expectancy at age 106 is calculated very simply from the Darth Vader rule, just by adding the probabilities of survival of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And you don't have to add after that, because you know that because 110 is the limiting age, at age 110 everybody's dead. So you stop at that, you only have 3 years, and it's 4 minus 1 over 4 to the 1/4, plus 4 minus 2 over 4 to the 1/4, plus 4 minus 3 over 4 to the 1/4. That's approximately 2.4786, answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.